Hello everyone! Today I'm excited to walk you through setting up HA Tunnel's DNS settings for secure and private browsing. In my upcoming videos, I'll dive deeper into other crucial HA Tunnel settings and features. Step 1. Head to the Google Play Store and search for HA Tunnel. Click on the first result and hit download to install the app on your device. Step 2. Once the download is complete, open the HA Tunnel app. You'll land on the home screen. Step 3. Before diving into HA Tunnel VPN, ensure you have data available to load and download the servers. Once loaded, you'll see them listed in the app. Step 4. Click on the Custom Settings button to activate the Custom Settings feature. This unlocks additional options within the app. Step 5. From the Custom Settings menu, select the DNS Tunnel option to proceed with the setup. Step 6. In the provided box, enter your preferred DNS server address or stick with the default Google DNS servers for secure browsing. Step 7. Choose from the list of available server locations the one that aligns with your needs or preferences. Step 8. Finally, hit the Start button to establish the VPN connection and ensure a secure browsing experience. Conclusion. Voila! You've successfully configured HA Tunnel's DNS settings for secure browsing. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more valuable tutorials and insights on HA Tunnel and other essential tech topics.